It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to properly unlink your Roblox account from Discord, you need to access the website blocks.link and log in using your Discord account that has the Roblox account linked to it. After you properly log into the website, you should see the Go to Dashboard tab at the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on Go to Dashboard, you will be redirected to a page where you are able to see all of your currently linked Roblox characters. As you can see, all you have to do if you want to unlink the only character you have is to click the trash can icon at the top left corner of that character, and it will automatically unlink itself. If you want to add a character first before unlinking the old one, just click the chain symbol on the right side of the screen and add your new character. After you input all the details and you go through with the verification, all you have to do is click on the star at the top right corner of the character that you want to make your new primary character, and then you can click on the trash can icon at the top left corner of the old character or the character you want to unlink. These changes should synchronize with Discord shortly after you do them. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink Roblox account from Discord. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.